Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMind, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.
Today we are going to see the ninth week of pregnancy. Baby is about the size of a grape. Now, you are in your last month of the first trimester. You and your baby will be going through a lot of changes during this phase. Some of the changes occurring within your body during your ninth week of pregnancy. Waistbands go uncomfortable. Breast size increases. Uterus size will now be increased double the size. Pain in the abdomen. It is normal to pass gas during pregnancy. To help relieve yourself, avoid eating gas producing foods such as cabbage, beans, etc. There will be changes in the sense of taste and the smell. Heartburn, urge to pee more, blood circulation increases, veins bulge, gain in body weight, your hair may turns lustrous, thick, thin, lumpy, and greasy. Backaches and headache are common in your ninth week of pregnancy. You will also experience gum bleeds and nose bleeds. Emotional changes during ninth week of pregnancy such as feeling of weakness, sense of guilt, exhaustion, anxiety and stress. Baby and its development during ninth week of pregnancy. Your baby is about the size of a grape that measures 1 inch and weighs less than 2 grams. During this week, your developing baby's body parts and proportions continue to develop and change quickly. Your baby is now out of the embryonic phase and enters the fetal phase. The tail that was with the embryo has been disappeared and looks like a small human being. Below is the baby's growth is the essential body parts. Eyes. The eyelids completely cover the eyes. They are fused and don't open till 26th week of pregnancy. Talking about ears, the earlobes are tiny and visible. Other facial expressions features such as the nose, nostrils, mouth become more distinct. The mouth appears like a flat line on the surface and the tongue starts forming. Limbs, fingers and toes are visible. Wrists and ankles begin to develop. Arms are growing and bend near the elbows. In neck region becomes more defined. It is also undergoes lifting and turning movements. All the joints, including the baby's elbows, shoulders, knees, ankles, and wrist, joint starts working and allow the baby to move freely in the amniotic fluid. The digestive system and the diaphragm begins to develop, which allows the baby to breathe and hiccup. Skeleton and bone. Baby's skeleton have just started to harden. Cartilage forms all through the body. Common and integument. Nipples and hair follicles slowly form. Intestinal system. Baby's pancreas, gallbladder, bile ducts, anus are formed. Reproductive organs. Baby's reproductive organs develop internally. Movements. Your baby makes movements. She also or he also starts kicking at later stage. Heart and blood flow. Your baby's heart begin to beat around 24th day. During this week, it divides into 4 chambers and valves starts to form. The blood starts pumping in and out rapidly. It thus provides oxygen and nutrients to the growing baby and removes waste from the body. Following are the examination which will be conducted during the ninth and the 10th week of pregnancy. Medical history, physical examination, due date calculation, lab tests, genetic testing, future appointments, prenatal vitamins, other health related information. Nutrition about ninth week of pregnancy. Eat properly to avoid morning sickness. If you experience morning sickness, keep crackers or biscuits near your bed, eat one before you get off the bed, as it can keep you away from the morning sickness. Ginger tea can reduce the effects of morning sickness. Include healthy snacks in between your meals. Avoid smelling foods and add a dash of lemon to your tea or water. Mints can also have an effect on reducing nausea and morning sickness. Now, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is important during pregnancy. It helps in production of red blood cells. Magnesium. Magnesium is important for both mom to be and baby. The main sources include rice, beans and bananas. Some other sources includes soya beans, nuts, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. You can also find magnesium in whole grains. Nutrition snacks. You should include healthy snacks during pregnancy so that your baby gets all the nutritional requirements. Whole grain bread, whole grain crackers and tomato soup are great options that ease morning sickness as well. Rusk, lemonade, and ginger tea are also healthy choices. You can also include bananas, nuts, and cucumbers. Following are the exercises during ninth week of pregnancy. Healthy pregnancy diet plan. It is a time for the mother to focus on being as healthy as she can, because that care will translate to her baby in utero. Establishing healthy habits will now set a positive example that will benefit the child over his or her lifetime. A well balanced micronutrient diet is the key to a healthy pregnancy. A well balanced diet should contain the followings: carbohydrates from whole grain sources, fruits and vegetables; protein from beans, nuts, seeds, and hormone free animal products like meat and dairy; healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, and the fats that occur in nuts, seeds, and fish. Pregnant women need more iron, folic acid, calcium, zinc, iodine, and vitamin D. Malnutrition increases the risk of having a low birth weight baby or going into preterm labor. Pregnant women need the following daily: folic acid. Folic acid is also known as folate. It is a B vitamin that is crucial in helping to prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spinal cord, known as neural tube defects. Doctors recommend that women who are trying to have a baby should take a daily vitamin supplement containing 400 micrograms of folic acid per day for at least 1 month before becoming pregnant. During pregnancy, they advise women to increase the amount of folic acid to 600 micrograms a day. Some are the food sources such as green leafy vegetables, cereals, breads, beans, and citrus fruits. Calcium. This mineral is used to build a baby's bones and teeth. Food sources required such as milk, yogurt, cheese, calcium fortified juices. Iron. Pregnant women need 27 milligrams of iron a day, which is double the amount needed by women who are not expecting. Consuming too little iron during pregnancy can lead to anemia, a condition resulting in fatigue and increased risk of infections. Food sources required such as poultry, fish, dried beans and peas, iron fortified cereal. Protein. More protein is needed during pregnancy and it is described as builder nutrient because it helps to build important organs for the baby such as the brain and heart. Food sources: meat, fish, dried beans and peas, eggs, nuts, etc. Now following mentioned food products need to be consumed for healthy pregnancy. Milk and other milk products include foods such as whole milk and skimmed milk, yogurt, buttermilk, cheese, paneer. All these food items are rich sources of proteins, calcium, and vitamin B12. Pulses, dals, cereals, nuts, and whole grains If you are a vegetarian, include pulses, dals, cereals, nuts, and whole grains in your everyday diet, as your body requires a good amount of protein. Fruits and vegetables. Include lots of fresh fruits and vegetables as your body requires good amount of fiber. Liquids. Drink as much as water and liquids throughout the day as your body needs to be hydrated all the time. Foods that should be avoided during pregnancy. Avoiding the below mentioned foods will keep you and your baby healthy. Fish containing mercury. Fish such as shark, tilefish contain high levels of mercury. Mercury is an element which is found in oceans, lakes, etc., which converts into methyl mercury in the human body. It is a neurotoxin which leads to brain damage and development delays in babies. Raw or undercooked eggs should not be consumed as they contain harmful salmonella bacteria which causes food poisoning. You may also suffer from diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and etc. Unpasteurized milk. It is not safe to drink unpasteurized milk or raw milk as it contains harmful bacteria called salmonella, which can be dangerous to you and your baby too. Unwashed fruits and vegetables contain toxoplasma parasite, which harms the developing baby. Excess caffeine. Higher amount of caffeine could increase the chances of miscarriage and low birth weight babies. Other drinks which can be avoided are soft drinks, diet soda, alcohol, and iced tea. Sugar rich foods. Cut down on sugar rich foods such as desserts, candies, cakes, ice creams, sweetened beverages. There was pregnancy discomforts, increased weight, increased gestational diabetes, etc. Benefits of playing music during pregnancy. The fetus develops the ears in the third week of gestation, but they won't become functional until the week 16. Fetus can actively listen by week 24th. High stress levels in expectant mothers can cause negative effect on both the mother and the baby. Music and singing can cause soothing effect on both the mother and the baby and can lead healthy and happy baby later in life. Singing along with the music helps to develop better bonding between the mother and the baby. Listening to all kinds of music encourages early brain development in the baby. But the important note, don't play music continuously. Don't play the music too loud as it might disturb the baby. How to manage morning sickness during first 3 months of pregnancy? Nausea can occur at any time of the day, but morning sickness usually settles after 3 months. To manage morning sickness, try the following tips. First, drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Second, get fresh air and avoid the smell of food which triggers the nausea. And the last one, eat little and often. Having an empty stomach might even worsen the situation. If your sickness continues after even 3 months and if you are finding difficulty in having the food, please consult your doctor immediately.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.